Guys, sedikit update untuk emas, tapi kita harus lihat gambaran besarnya dulu, jadi supaya nggak ada yang confused atau bingung atas plan-plan saya yang dalam trading emas ini. So this is the bigger plan, okay? Yang merah, kita ada yang merah, major plan-nya. Kemudian zoom in a bit, kita ada yang hijau, itu adalah medium plan, medium well. Terus subwaves di dalam subwaves untuk wave yang one of three, plan yang hijau yang warna pink ini, the subwave perfectly aligned, and koreksinya juga perfect di 1 2, perfectly aligned 1 2 3 4 5. I'll zoom in a bit. Ya, koreksinya juga bagus. Nah, sekarang we actually ranging on this level. Okay, we're ranging on this level. My thesis opinion on this gold, dalam semua plan tadi belum ada yang terinvalidasi, baik plan yang merah, okay, plan yang merah, big here, okay, plan merah kita ada di wave keempat mau kelima, okay, you see, okay, means untuk invalidate plan merah adalah it has to go down below this coronal level. Okay, which kita sudah retest 2 kali, 1 di sini, 2 di sini, and you can see the wave 4 already bottom, and we still on track to wave 5. Kita juga ada lihat bullish pattern. So I understand banyak noise saat ini. If you see the media, jika Anda lihat di forum, Anda lihat dimanapun, kan Anda mungkin lihat emas mau ke 1000 sekian, mau ke downside, whatever it is. The most possible downside we could see is gold making another 2 here, 1720, 1722 in these 2 region. Okay, and still dia nggak ada invalidate apa-apa, yang ini nggak terinvalidasi. This is the furthest, yang paling jauh it could go, and maybe that will be the ABC. Okay, ini adalah diagonal B, B-nya nggak sampai sini, terjadi diagonal B, kemudian another flush to the C. And if that happens, seriously, if that happens, saya cuma bisa melihat itu the biggest long opportunity for me to catch the rally to this area, and ultimately to catch the rally to this area in the next quarter of 2022. Karena lebih banyak possibility yang belum terinvalidasi di dalam gold, dan saya lebih memilih untuk stick to my levels and don't listen to the noise. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. So kesabaran, patience is the key here. Okay, this is the game of waiting. So market maker wants you to actually doubt your plans and take some stupid actions, maybe catch up to the bear trap. Ini adalah bear trap or bull trap, we don't know yet, but we know our level is there. So what I'm planning is saya akan rencana nambah more buy on 1750 and then ultimately on 1720. This is ada dua pelor di sini nungguin, and that will be a very good investment. Jika Anda ikutin update video saya mungkin beberapa minggu lalu, saya ada bilang posisi buy saya yang ada di sini, di daerah sini, adalah saya untuk posisi baru di bulan Desember. Jadi saya stock up my bullet untuk forming to catch the rally to higher level. It's pretty straightforward for gold. Okay, patience is the key here. So moving forward, silver, beautiful chart again, Same thing with gold, nothing is invalidated. Okay, we see A, B, C, D, E, ending diagonal. Again, saya udah pernah explain apa itu ending diagonal. Dan jika Anda lihat, this is a very strong divergence. Okay, again, saya akan back to gold. You can see a divergence in gold as well. Okay, so trade what you see. Okay, not what you heard. I see more opportunities being formed. My lot sizes are intact. Risks are calculated. So we just need to be patient. Kenapa nggak sell? Kalau orang bilang, bro, kenapa nggak sell? Apakah ada perkiraan sell? Dan kalau Anda ikuti story saya, if you been following me for some times, Anda akan ngerti kenapa I prefer not to sell gold. Because I'm a swing trader, saya ada swing trader dan saya punya life di luar dari trading saya. It's my business, betul. Tapi saya nggak mau jadi gambling, melototin chart terus-terusan, stressful over the micro movements. Kemarin it barely move. Kemarin dia cuma flash dari 178 sekian ke 1770, and saya nggak mau make a big fuss over it. It's a very small move. It's not an impulse at all. So I prefer not to short super cycle pairs. And if you've been following me, sometimes you should know the reasons. So back to silver. Nothing is invalidated in silver as well. Kita lihat ada 2. This is 2 on the very low, $21 silver. Untuk bigger picture-nya, okay, everything still intact. 1 seharusnya ada di level 618. Dia tapi extend by 3 pips. Ya, 3 pips. And that's why yang 236 juga extend by 3 pips on this perfect area. This is the 1, 2. So belum ada yang terinvalidasi karena as long as this level holds. Okay, as long as this level holds. I can only look up higher. And silver punya movement is a little bit different from gold. Kalau dia mau naik, udah naik. Kalau dia mau turun, udah turun. So I think this is a resting area waiting for another catalyst. And hari ini ada FOMC juga, FOMC juga. Maybe itu bisa jadi katalis bagi silver and gold to back to its strength. Moving on, we have Euro Canadian. Euro Canadian's been performing really well. Okay. Even kalau saya hitung subwave, micro subwave-nya, levelnya intact semua. So nothing to add here. All Euro Canadian holders should move their stop loss to break even, or at least trails on the support. So every time it breaks resistance, ketika dia break resistance, tiap resistance yang dia break, you move your stop loss to support. Okay, by then you protect your profits. Pound Australian dollars moving good as well. On this area boleh take profit dulu and then bisa re-entry on retrace. Maybe if di cara hitungnya apakah ini pasti retrace sedalam ini, we don't know yet. But on micro subwaves di time frame H1 30 menit, Anda bisa inchart 3 waves down. And if it's bottom on 3 waves down, then that's the level you can re-enter your trades on pound Australian dollars. Let's see on euro US dollar. Saya ada kasih warning kemarin about bearish pennant. Okay, check my story. Don't say I didn't warn it. So ketika kita spot bearish pennant tuh harga masih di sini, and looks like the pennant is on play. So if this pennant is working out, we might see another flush on euro US dollar. And first level it could go to invalidate this pennant is 1.11, this area on this low. So di low ini dia ada potensi untuk reversal. Even though this is a pennant, but still, let's count it together, okay? Saya akan hitung. Even this is a pennant, since we see a strong divergence dalam MACD. Let's see this one, swing high, swing low. Okay. Okay, this looks like a bearish pennant, but actually, di sini tuh kemarin 1-2, and this is a very good entry opportunity untuk another 1-2 wave of 3. Saya delete ini dulu. So jika kemarin ada yang buy di sini low risk, ya, berarti invalidation levelnya ada di bawah sini. Untuk target harga di 1.14715. So this is actually the game of trust. Whether you trust euro or you want to dump this. But if I have to play this, I will prefer to buy and hold, enter on the 12749 area, and my invalidation level is here, and I prefer to hold this to this level because it looks more sense to me, rather than euro US dollar to dump below this 1.10 level. Euro pernah visit that area? Yes, it have. And argumentasinya apa? Kenapa saya memilih buy walaupun itu ada bearish pennant? Area ini certainly adalah good area to enter the market. Okay? Jika Anda lihat dalam bigger picture daily ini, jika saya enter market di sini, mungkin invalidasi level saya jauh, bisa di sini. Seperti pennant tadi kan, gonna make a double bottom. But the risk and reward is very big. Okay, the double bottom is not imminent, but for price going higher on ultimate count is imminent. Karena dalam bigger picture, we also have a bullish structure. So it's really up to you on how you want to play these euro dollars. Karena saya nggak terlalu banyak fokus di FX, and it doesn't look interesting to me. But clearly it's a pennant, and the speculators, long speculators, Anda yang enter buy dalam posisi banyak, you should be worried for a bit. Karena jika posisi Anda bagus, you can maintain your lot, this shouldn't worry you at all. Next, moving on to pound US dollar. Pound looks very exhausted. The level 2.618. Okay, one of the good levels, the end of ending diagonals. Ini supportnya is a bit extended. Saya nggak bakal surprise if price could go up from here, but again, the fifth wave could extend. So the worst case it could extend is to the 300 levels of the fib level 3 habis 2.618 adalah garis biru ini. Okay, the whole structure is another bullish structure. So you need to understand that market maker, they really likes to push market, making wrong assumptions for retails, for them to enter positions. Mereka mau retail itu kacau. Okay, mereka mau retail itu melihat sesuatu itu dalam bias yang mereka ciptakan. So for me, this looks like a buy opportunity rather than to short this. Karena kenapa? Tadi kalau di sini, yes, kita bisa lihat clearly adalah wave ketiga. Kita bisa catch the wave keempat, kelima. But this is the end. Ini the wave kelima extended. How long it could extend, no one knows, seriously. Okay, but the level is clear. Yeah, crystal clear on what you should do and what you shouldn't do. Okay, maybe one more update. I don't know which market you guys needed, so maybe I just choose New Zealand dollar. Okay, NZD. I expect further low to this area. So if you want to trade this, if you really want to trade this is a very ugly chart. Okay, you have one here, another one, micro 2, AB. So shorting looks more promising rather than buying. But then if you have other pairs to trade, I suggest you not to trade this pair. It's looking very ugly at the moment. And if you really want to gamble, jika Anda mau gambling di pair ini, you can take a short, Anda bisa sell. Level invalidasi ada di atas high sebelumnya, ada di sini. Oke. Ini turunan ini, impulse ini doesn't look over to me. It needs one more push, one more flush. Doesn't look over, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this could be 3. Kita bisa aja masih di wave 3 nih untuk micro subwave. Saya belum hitung detail untuk micronya. Okay, that's all. Semoga bermanfaat. Please remain calm on stormy weather, especially on the metals. And look at your trading plan. Trade what you see. Again, don't listen to the noise. But if you really want to short gold, jika Anda mau sell gold, I suggest you to calculate the levels carefully. Okay, where's your stop loss and on which price you want to reverse to long again, because at any time we could have some flush and then strong rebounds. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.